Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Slack. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to receive instant notifications in your Slack workspace whenever someone submits a response to your form, keeping your team updated in real time without having to constantly check Typeform manually. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your browser and navigating to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Typeform dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed. Here you'll see a list of forms you've created. Click on the name of the form you want to connect to Slack. If you don't have a form ready yet, you can always create a new one by clicking the Create button, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a form you want to integrate. Once you've opened your form, look toward the top of the page. You'll notice several tabs available. Click on the one labeled Connect. This is where all the magic happens, as this section houses all the integrations Typeform offers with various third-party apps and services. Now you'll see a search bar designed to help you quickly find the integration you need. Type Slack into the integration search bar. This will filter out all other options and show you the Slack integration specifically. When Slack appears in the results, click the Connect button next to it. This will initiate the connection process between your Typeform and Slack accounts. At this point, you'll be prompted to authenticate the integration. Click Authenticate and you'll be redirected to log into your Slack account. Enter your Slack credentials here to authorize Typeform to send notifications to your workspace. After successfully logging in, the next step is to choose where you want these form responses to be sent. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the specific Slack channel or direct message recipient that will receive the notifications. This is important because it ensures the right people or team channels get notified immediately when a response comes in. Next, you'll have the option to customize what information gets sent to Slack. Select which form questions or fields you want to include in the Slack notifications. This step allows you to control the level of detail your team sees without overwhelming them with unnecessary information. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save or turn on integration to activate the connection. Your Typeform is now successfully linked to Slack, and any new responses will automatically appear in your chosen Slack channel or direct message. That's it, you've successfully connected Typeform to Slack. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.